Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 to give you a mobile mechanic tip. If you know you have an oil leak on your vehicle, you must check your oil consistently at all times. This person just had an oil change, and the person is supposed to be here, and he actually is right there due to the fact he had an oil leak in his vacuum pump, which is sitting right here. He also has a leak in his valve cover gasket. So if I don't check the oil, most of the customers won't know. And I have numerous cases, hundreds and hundreds of cases, when they changed the oil and they didn't pay attention or fix the oil leak, the engine locked up, or it threw a rod. Take your choice. Or if it's a GDI engine, you can just hang it up. You just trash that whole entire engine. EcoBoost, this is what this is, EcoTech. EcoBoost GDI does not tolerate low oil. It does not tolerate oil leaks. If you have an older car, you might get away with it. But these new cars, let me know that works out for you. So please, when you have an oil leak, get it fixed immediately. And if you do not get it fixed immediately and it's just a moderate oil leak, check your oil every single week. If not, you'll be seeing people just like me telling you need a new engine or you need it rebuilt or whatever the case may be. This is what I do for a living as a professional. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave kind comments and suggestions. Thank you.